it. It's not just something you look at, it's something you feel. A silent dialogue between human and nature, between the temporary and the eternal. And perhaps that's the most powerful message his work carries. Art doesn't need to be grand or everlasting to be valuable. A simple arrangement of leaves, created in the stillness of a forest, can hold more emotion than the largest message. Because beauty isn't about permanence, it's about presence. It's about noticing the delicate details, the textures, the light, the moment itself. So maybe his art teaches us something we often forget: to slow down, to look closer, to appreciate the small wonders that surround us every day.